Now, on 19 June, we saw Re-Fom engaging Priscilla Chigumba. Right? What were they saying here? They wrote a letter dated 19 June 2024. Attention, Chairperson Honorable Justice Chigumba. Allegations in the media that implicate ZEC and Re-Fom. Now, in this letter, Re-Fom claims to not know Chivhayo, saying that we have no relationship with him whatsoever. After saying that, we see images surfacing on social media, and these images show Chivhayo at Re-Fom offices in South Africa. Now, Re-Fom is a printing company. I don't know if Re-Fom also supplies computers or computer hardware rather. So we see Chivhayo images at Re-Fom offices when these guys have said we do not know Chivhayo whatsoever. Then we see images with Chivhayo at the Re-Fom offices. What does that mean? Okay, are these even Re-Fom offices? Obviously, the individuals can be identified, can be recognized. Now, these leaked images actually add weight to this case. Recently, we saw, again, Zimbabwe Electoral Commission making comments on what they call misleading social media reports on all that has been happening. And now, this leaked letter by Re-Fom to Zimbabwe Electoral Commission actually take things to another level. Unless this leaked letter is fake. Okay, it reads allegations in the media that implicate ZEC and Re-Fom. I'm writing to further to the recent allegations that have surfaced in the Zimbabwe media, which allege procurement irregularities and corrupt practices in terms of various contracts between ZEC and Re-Fom during the course of last year, where Re-Fom was contracted to supply the commission with both sensitive and insensitive materials for the 2023 elections. At Re-Fom, we are outraged by these allegations, and we would like to set the record straight in terms of the claims made by the two gentlemen concerned, which have completely no basis. We confirm that we do not know these gentlemen. We have no relationship whatsoever. No, have they? Okay, so it's claims by the two gentlemen. These two gentlemen are they, and they, Mike Mpofu, Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu. If it's two gentlemen, then it means they haven't denied knowing Chivhayo. In the circumstances, we take these allegations very seriously, and we have already engaged a senior legal team to act on our behalf, and we do not rule out taking appropriate action in Zimbabwe to defend our name and reputation. We shall in due course share the details of our legal team with you in case you have any requests for information on this letter. Now, they have written to Priscilla Chigumba, and they're talking of taking legal action. Are we going to see them suing Zimbabwe Electoral Commission the same way we saw with Chivhayo suing Zimbabwe Power Company or Zimbabwe Electricity Commission, Zimbabwe Electricity Supply Authority? Right? So, we can't say these Re-Fom guys have denied involvement or they have distanced themselves from Chivhayo, but they mentioned these two individuals. The names are not written, which is really, really tricky. Maybe they had other communication prior to this communication. Now, this is a game changer. Or is it. Because in this letter, Re-Fom does not distance itself from Chivhayo, but rather it says these two. Who are the two? Is it Mike Chimombe and Wicknell or Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu? Who are the two people that are being talked about here? They just mentioned two people. Two people. All right, I'm just going to show you this one here. This is another media house here with this headline. Re-Fom says the record straight on its ties to Wicknell Chivhayo, Mike Chimombe, and Moses Mpofu amid ZEC corruption scandal. Again, that headline is not conclusive, but maybe what we may perceive when we see headlines. Sometimes people, you are not told certain things. Rather, sometimes people get told things because the one who will be telling the story knows what the people will assume. So a person may tell you correct information using certain terminology and wording such that you assume what you assume by default. It may be the case. Maybe the entire leaked images, entire letters, these guys are trying to manage their image. But anyways, why would Zimbabwe need to get their election materials printed in South Africa? Now we are taking this to South Africa. My indigenous mabasa, right? So I do not know. Only time will tell what happens next in this case. But anyways, ZEC, Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, distancing itself from Wicknell Chivhayo, ZEC alone, that has exonerated, say, Wicknell Chivhayo. Because in this case, who is the complainant? With that, I'm going to sign out here.